Lake Silveira is a story of transformation.
You just look at this, it's a gem, and it was created from a need of flood protection.
The now growing wetlands began as a gravel pit. Decades ago, to create a swimming hole, the owner of the land cut off water to thousands of feet of Llagas Creek.
It was devastating because invasive species, Himalayan blackberry in this particular case, took over, and it really made the lake and the creek inaccessible in this area.
Today, this restored wildlife sanctuary is part of Valley Water's largest ever flood protection plan, reducing flood risk for nearly 14 miles within Gilroy, Morgan Hill, and the unincorporated area of San Martin. In 2 years, tens of thousands of native plants and trees were planted. Invasive plants were removed. In the lake, islands provided protection for birds, turtles, and other wildlife. And water is flowing again through Llagas Creek, creating a passage upstream for threatened native fish.
The creek flowed for the first time in 45 years, and it was remarkable to see how quickly the plants and animals have come back.
Protecting our environment and our communities.
It's just a beautiful transformation of what it was to what it has become.